Hi everyone. In this tech talk, my topic is body language, and my name is Mohammad Azjad Ahmad, and I'm from Aero Branch, Section A, and I'm from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal, Hyderabad. So today I'm going to explain you about the body language and what its consequences. So a body language tells you more than your words. So when you are in a meeting, when you're meeting a person, a strange person for the first time, your body language will be in of introvert type. And when you're meeting your close friend or someone in the family you know better and you feel free to talk them, then you will have a extrovert attitude and extrovert body language. So let us see about body language more. So a body language means the consequence and unconsequence meaning, movements and postures by which attitudes and feelings are communicated. Yes, it can be conscious and it can be unconscious. So such behavior includes facial expressions. Your facial expression sometimes tells the person is saying true or untrue, or he's difficulty, so it is not he's not clear, then he's saying untrue. So this type of facial expressions can help a person understands the true feeling of other person. A body posture, he's extrovert or introvert with me, he is not feeling you know well, he if he is not in a good condition to talk to me, or gestures, that means he's feeling insecurity with me, he's feeling insecure, or if he is not making eye contact, that we will understand that he is not saying true, a person is not saying true, and like that. So there are so many ways that we can understand through a person's body language, what he is saying, to what he is convincing to us. So they can be used to reinforce or emphasize what a person is saying and offer information about the emotions and attitudes of the person. So of what attitude he is, if he is feeling jealous from us, he's feeling happy for us, if he's feeling sorrow for us. So we get different type of feelings in our mind. So there are gestures. What are gestures? Gesture means it's a movement of body. It's a sudden unconscious movement of a body, especially a hand or a head, that you don't want to talk to a person, or feeling insecure with a person, or you are introvert and you're feeling uh, a fear of feeling that you're what he may asked, what he may understood, what he may feel about you, you will have that type of gesture. So they are divided into four types. Ambles means the gestures that's same function as a word. So suddenly uh, the yes type of face expression, the no type of face expression, that tells you about the tells you about your gestures, that you're saying true or not. So illustrators means uh, gestures that you don't want it to come to if a party, then you say no illustrations. Regulation gestures used to give feedback when conversing, or okay, yes, when you're not interested in a person's conversation that you're talking to, you will feel disturbed or boredom or not attentive. So you will give them answers, oh, her, like that. So it's a feeling of boredom. Now, what is adapters? Adapters are non-verbal behaviors which satisfy some physical need. So adapters include such actions as scratching or adjusting uncomfortable glasses, or represent a psychological need such as biting fingernails and when nervous. So before going to examinations, everyone feel nervous about them. Everyone feel that what questions they may get, what question, how he would write. So there is some persons have shaking of leg, biting of nails, chewing of pen caps, feeling uncomfortable, adjusting the disproper things, and all that will have. So he's not. If it is in a talk that then he's not attentive. He's not interested to your words, or he's not interested in conversing with you. So these are the gestures. Now, when you see this picture, you will understand. You see the two persons sitting next to each other, and in which one is fold-handed and fold legs, and one is open-handed and open legs. So one have an closed gesture and other have an open gesture. So a closed gesture is an introvert person. He have a shy feeling. He he can indicate hostility, unfriendliness due to its introvertness, and anxiety due to no friends. So open postures may indicate friendliness and openness and willingness and everyone's friend and a happy face in a class. So there are different type of postures. Postures can reflect emotions, attitudes, and intentions. Research has identified a wide range of postural signals and their meanings, such as open and closed postures that we just saw in a previous slide. Closed postures, someone seated in a closed position might have his or her arms folded, legs crossed, or be positioned at a slight angle from the person with whom they are interacting. Yes, so they have a close posture, means they are not attentive. They are not intuitive also. So they are not interested. They have a fear of talking to you. So open posture means in an open posture you might expect to see someone directly facing you with hands apart on the arms of the chair, and open posture can be used to communicate openness or interest. So at the last, I just wanted to say you that an extrovert person can live happily and every time, and can solve all his problems happily. An introvert person thinks more and more and more, and overthinking leads to his unfriendliness, unwillingness, and unproblem solvingness that you can understand. So this body language has gesture, postures that, sudden movements which gives the answer more than your words. So our topic was body language, and thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.